dear viewers, today I am presenting a very inspiring and important video especially for the students. Therefore, all the students must watch this video in full without skipping. So in this video, 3 students having more than 90% in the matriculation examination, they all belong to Kokrajhar, will speak about the important duty of the students. They will speak about the importance of life, and the parents of such children must be proud and happy because these children are supposed to have focused mindset, healthy attitude and conscience. We know that words move the people. So the words spoken by these 3 children will radically change the attitudes, the action, the way of living, the behavior of the students. And the speech given by these 3 students are helpful for those children who are not motivated towards the education, those school dropout children and the delinquent children.
Dhrubanita Deka.
How much time did you spend in your studies?
I never had any fixed timetable, but I would give at least 2 hours of self-study besides my tuition hours and school hours.
From whom did you get the inspiration?
My biggest inspiration were my parents and of course my teachers. Parents were always there to support me and they were never forceful. Sometimes when I didn't feel like studying, I would just relax and they would never question me. They were just happy with what I did. So I think that's the biggest thing I got from them. And my teachers, each and every teacher were so supporting. They were always there to help me out with my doubts and very, very supportive. So yeah, they were the ones.
Okay, your aim?
I want to study astrophysics after 12. So it's about space. I'm very much interested in all those things. So I would like to make my career there. See, quitting studies is, I think, the worst option that anybody can take because without education, you stand nowhere. In this world today, it gives you an identity. You can be somebody only if you have a good education. If all the people in a society are highly educated, then they can eliminate all those taboos, stereotypes, and all such inhuman activities around them, which is very prevalent these days. But education is a must. So yeah.
So it is in that some people are ending their life by committing suicide. So what would you like to say about this?
Firstly, say no to suicide. Life is a gift of God. Each and every person is unique, has his own capabilities, and if people think that ending their life is the best decision, then I think that's the worst thing can happen. Everybody has his own path. God has sent them all with some specific purpose. And if we start comparing between ourselves and we think that no, we are, people are better than us, and we think no, there is no life for us. So that's, I think, very stupid. We should be always motivated, optimistic about everything, and then I think we can live a very happy and contented life, and we would never think about ending our life. So yeah.
My name is Maino Narzari.
How much time did you spend for studies?
What I did was that I tried to push myself. I came out of my comfort zone. So like maximum 6 to 7 hours. It's actually needed if you want to pass class 10 or any board like class 10 or class 12 board with flying colors. So yeah, maximum 6 to 7 hours it's needed. So that's what I did.
From where did you get the inspiration?
I got inspiration from the earlier passed out students and also how they passed boards with flying colors and they made their school proud, their parents proud. My aim in life is to become a doctor, to be specific, an orthopedist. According to me, disturbances and troubles, they are bound to come. So what you have to do is that you have to stay focused on your goal. That's all it's required. So be passionate, have a fixed goal, and then you are sure to get what you want.
Do you see any major issues in the present society among the student community
Yes, most of them, they would be peer pressure, then depression, which is a very common topic nowadays, and then depression, it leads to suicides and all. So what I want to say is that if someone commits suicide, then it's not the best decision that you are going to take, because committing suicide, yeah, you will be the talk of the town, but that will remain only for few days and you will get nothing from that. But if you are alive and you stay focused to your goal, then you can achieve what you want to do, and if you do so and you become a good person in the future, then people will remember you forever. Next, so what I want to say is that don't have bad companions, then share your feelings with your parents and with your friends, with your teachers. They are always there to help you, so they will help you to be focused in your studies and all. So that will eventually, if you get interested in what you want to do, then that's like you will eventually not run away from studies and all. That's what I like to say.
For getting a good percentage in your matriculation examination, who inspired you more?
During boards, my father, he used to stay awake with me till what time I'd study. So often he used to doze off also. But then after I finish my studies, then I go and call him. So yeah, I'd say that both of them, they have inspired me together.
Yes. Do you have any good message for the your juniors?
If you have a fixed goal for your future, then whichever stream you will go, you will succeed in that. So only one line I'd like to say is that living without passion is like being dead. So the main thing you should have is be passionate about what you want to do. That's all. Then yeah, you will surely receive what you want in the future.
My name is Bipungsar Musari.
From her, did you get the inspiration for passing the examination?
I used to see a lot of videos in YouTube, and I used to get many videos of a big personality, APJ Abdul Kalam, and I used to listen his speeches. He liked children. I used to spend 3 to 4 hours before, but when this metric or the board examinations came, I started to spend the double of it, like 6 hours or 7 hours sometimes.
Your aim in life?
My aim in life is to become a scientist in ISRO or NASA, but I want to work for ISRO because I want to take India in a greater stage than NASA.
Okay, during your studies, did you get any disturbances from outside?
I got quite disturbances from outside, like a function was held nearby, like they used to play loud music, and I used to get disturbance like for 2 to 3 days. I think I got disturbance. Even though I studied, I would like to say no to suicide because it's a very, very bad idea. Because if you do suicide, you don't get anything. Like they would also forget you after 2 to 3 days. Many people think that if I would do suicide, then people will think about me, then they would feel bad. Then actually it's the loss for yourself because your life is lost. You can't do anything. Parents also will feel bad, and it's all that much. So it's a total loss. So focus, because one day you will get success. So just focus on your studies.